In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue of links not opening in Google Meet. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or simply trying to connect with friends or colleagues, encountering problems with joining a Google Meet can be disheartening. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a few straightforward steps to get you back on track quickly. First, let's head over to the Google Meet website. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. Once you're there, we're going to start an instant meeting. You can do this by clicking on the Start a Meeting button. This is a handy way to quickly generate a meeting link that you can use to troubleshoot the issue. Once the meeting has started, you'll want to copy the meeting link. This link is essential as it's what you'll share with others or use to rejoin the meeting yourself. You can usually find it right at the top of the meeting window. Simply click on it to copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have your link, let's ensure there are no issues with the link itself or the browser you're using. Double check that your Google Meet link begins with https://meet.google.com. This ensures that you're linking to an authentic Meet session. Instead of clicking the link from an email or chat, try pasting it directly into your browser's address bar. For the best compatibility and performance, use Google Chrome and make sure it's updated to the newest version. Moving on, it's very important to be logged into the correct Google account. If the meeting you're trying to access is restricted to certain domains, you'll need to be signed into the appropriate Gmail or Google Workspace account. To switch accounts, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select the right account from the drop-down list. Next, if you're still having trouble, clearing your browser's cache and cookies might resolve the issue. To do this in Google Chrome, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Here, select the options for cookies and cached images files and proceed to clear them. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try accessing the link again to see if the problem is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the issue of not being able to open Google Meet links. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but having these troubleshooting skills in your toolkit can save you time and frustration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.